80s, 90s, 2000s, 2010, now 2020. Only one thing has remained static, that is beautiful skin. Everything has changed. The hairstyle has changed, the liner has changed, the selection of eyeshadow colors has changed.
Yeah.
Skin has, I mean, when we think of beautiful skin, we still think of Madhubala ji. We still
Yeah.
think Hema Malini. So that's why I always say build your strength, understand your weakness, try to be different.
Question that a lot of people are getting conscious and about all the ingredients we get in the beauty products these days. So as a common person, what products or what ingredients do you think that these shouldn't be there जो harm करती हो आपकी स्किन को? क्योंकि मेन सर जैसे हर्बल टर्म और ये सब है तो इंडियन टर्म थी, सबसे पहले चालू इंडिया ने करा था। व्हाट अगर बोलो दादी माँ के नुस्खे तो सब कुछ वो हर्बल से रिलेटेड बताते। नाउ द इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दोस थिंग्स कि इससे हम बना सकते हैं, व्हिच वी ऑलरेडी न्यू। Introduction of Mr. Vivek Bharti. He is an amazing person, the founder of BHI Academy Mumbai. It is the India's leading makeup and hair academy in India. And I have personally studied from that academy, and I am so honored to have my education of makeup artistry from there. Okay, sir. So I think we can begin with some very fun questions we have in mind, and I have got from my audience too. I'm not able to hear you, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. Okay. So, sir, my first question to you is, how did BHI Academy come up? Like, when was the first time you thought that you wanted to own your own makeup academy?
Okay. So, by education, I'm an engineer. I did my electronics engineering, and I was working with very, very big companies. And I used to interact with a lot of cosmetic companies in US. And
Okay.
that's what inspired me that our beauty business looks very nice business. And also I had inclination towards education. I used to love to teach even when I was in my college. I used to teach kids in my colony. So I said, why not create something that is a combination of good beauty education, which is makeup and hair, plus of course education, because I used to love to teach. And I happened to go to LA. I went to New York. I gathered a lot of contacts there. I met a lot of wonderful people there, which is very innovative because I believe that only when you are different, you get to speed up in any market. You need to
Yes.
be different. I mean, of course, when I started, there were many, many other academies as well. But I think when you have something different to offer, um, people recognize you and they love to be part of it. So that's how it
Yes.
started. And Touchwood, I always say that BHI has been blessed with really hardworking students who come, who love to learn, who give their best, who make a great career. In fact, many of you already know that our students have been working with the best of the people in the business. They've
Yes.
been traveling. So yes, yes, we are happy to achieve that level. So yes, this is how it started. I mean, it all started with more of a fun and passion rather than just an intention to create a business. I think business is a result of everything that you do.
Yes.
So that's how it started.
And now it is the best academy I think I have come across.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank
Okay,
you.
so please tell me, what is your style philosophy?
See, I always believe my style philosophy has always been how to make somebody look naturally beautiful. So
Okay.
I'm, that's my idea of makeup. That's my idea of beauty. That it should still be you, but you look a better version of yourself.
Yes.
So I believe in beautiful skin. In fact, I give a lot of emphasis on how to do beautiful foundation, how to never have a shortcut in when it comes to skin. You can get away with any kind of eye makeup, but I think the skin should look natural. That's one.
Yes.
Uh, beautiful, well blended eyes. Uh, you always need to keep a check on what's in the market. In fact, I
Yes.
keep checking pages of Manish Malhotra, Sabyasachi, and we get an idea that how these top designers are thinking because they are the ones who are working with best of the brides. They are working with best of the brides, they also understand the taste of the brides that are high-end brides. So my style philosophy, I would say, is beautiful skin and well blended eyes and lips. Of course, you can go ahead with the taste of the client because we are in beauty business. We are not doing what we want to do. We are doing
Yes.
what we want to do plus what the client expects. So
Yes.
keep it real. I would say keep it real so that when somebody is having a look at the picture, even after 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 100 years, she should still look beautiful.
Yes. Your
So that
main focus is on the skin, that it should be beautifully blended and it
if
should.
you look at the movies of 1950s,
Yes.
60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, 2010, now 2020, only one thing has remained static. That is beautiful skin.
Yes.
Everything has changed. The hairstyle has changed. The liner has changed. The selection of eyeshadow colors has changed.
Yes.
Skin has, I mean, when we think of beautiful skin, we still think of Madhu Balaji. We still
Yes.
think Hema Malini. We may not do the same hairstyle. We may or may not do the same kind of eyeliner, but skin, yes. So skin is more
Yes.
classic. Skin is more of eternally beautiful. So that's the whole
Yes. So
lifestyle.
you mean the trends keep changing, but skin and the foundation is something which remains even, it is evergreen, that it would not change.
In fact, now it is even more important. Why?
Yes.
Because now they are much more advanced cameras. So,
Yes.
like, for example, when we were small, I mean, for many of us and uh, especially our parents, we used to have film cameras. The maximum
Yes.
size of the picture was this much.
Yes.
Having such big pictures, so people can actually zoom in also and see. So that's why beautiful skin is the more style philosophy.
Oh, that is a great answer. Thank you so much. Okay, so what are the things a person should look forward when they want to start up their own brand? How should they capture a market? Because many people like us, even I, in the future, I want to own my own brand. Everyone has a result that they want to do their own. So what should someone do to, capture the market and to enter into it? And how do you see all of it?
See, uh, think like this. If you enter a fruit market and everybody is selling oranges and you're the
Yes.
only one selling bananas, you'll have a queue at your place, right?
Yes. People want to come near me.
Learn to be different. Don't just enter
Yes.
it just because everybody else is having a business in that market. So I always say that think like you're getting into war. When you get into war, you get into a war with a strategy. Like how
Okay.
commanding officer and of an army must be thinking that okay, this is our enemy and this is how we need to plan everything. So there is a strategy behind. They're not mindlessly getting into a war. Same way, when you enter a market, have a plan for yourself. You
Yes.
must know your strength. You must know what is your weakness. You
Yes.
must know what is your audience. You must know what is going on in the market. And you need to be very, very active about these ideas. Let me tell you, for example, you're in wedding business. You
Yes.
must know कि जो अभी हाई एंड वेडिंग्स हो रही हैं उसमें किस तरह के लोग आउटफिट्स डाल रहे हैं व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मेक what kind
Yes.
of hairstyles they are going for and what kind of hairstyles they are not going for. So
Okay. Yes. The taste.
don'ts भी पता होना चाहिए ठीक है ना
Okay.
understand the market well, make yourself a better product than others. Now, the reason
Yes.
still our students during our batches is we make them work hard right from morning till evening.
Yes.
Prepared for market.
Yes.
They are the ones who can do 10 faces in a day if that's the requirement. They are the ones who never gets tired. They
Yes.
are who do much better the job than others. So that's why I always say build your strength, understand your weakness, try to be different, and let me tell you, ये सब चीजें तो चलो important है ही है. The most important thing is you have to be patient.
Yes.
अब क्या है कि Instagram, Google, all these things have made us feel that everything can be instant. Unfortunately, certain principles will not change. When you work hard, you need to be ready to work hard for months and years to taste the flavor of success. आप इनफैक्ट ये मान लो कि जितनी बेस्ट टेस्टिंग डिश उतना ही लंबा प्रोसेस होता है उसको बनाने का.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Yes.
same way, if you want to build a cottage, it will take few months. If you want to build a palace, you need to be ready to work hard and wait for some great share of time. But it
Yes.
happen. But आपको हमेशा ये ध्यान में रखना है कि मुझे different रहना है. Different.
Okay.
Let me tell you, वही मैं oranges और banana का example दे देता हूँ. If everybody is selling oranges and you are selling bananas, so even if your bananas are not of great quality, still they will sell.
Yes.
Why? Because you are the only one. अभी जब BlackBerry आया था, so iPhone became the first one to have a touch screen phone where there was no keypad. So you get to have entire big screen for yourself. iPhone पूरा बिका. Why? Because they were different. So
Yeah.
if your focus is bridal, focus a lot on bridal. Build beautiful bridal pictures. Make people have a look at those pictures because that becomes your strength. जब
Yes.
बाकी बातें कर रहे होंगे आपके पास दिखाने को कुछ होगा. Build your strengths, I would say, and be patient. That's it.
Yes. Patience is the key for everything. Nothing happens overnight. So we have to.
Yes.
That's great. So, sir,
Just to add to that, nature has defined everything. दिसंबर में बारिश नहीं होती, ठीक है ना, और समर्स दिसंबर में नहीं आते और विंटर्स जुलाई में नहीं आते.
100.
So nature has already trained us to be patient. और वो same law of nature we have to include in our own professional and personal life. That way.
This is a great knowledge, sir. Thank you. Okay, I have something in mind. What is the best important quality a makeup artist should have?
It's very difficult to say one quality, but I can still highlight few qualities one must have. One is, of course, goes without saying, you need to be really good in what you do. आप
Yes.
ये लगा लो कि आपकी 100 गलतियां माफ हो जाती हैं when your work is good. If you go to a restaurant, even if they make you wait, even if waiters are not nice, but the food is damn good, आप बोलते हो चलो जो भी था भूल जाओ, it was worth it. ठीक है ना? In fact, I've seen in many restaurants where I had to wait for 1 hour and I was getting irritated. But when I tasted the food, I said, बहुत मजा आया, पैक भी कर दो. ठीक है ना?
It is worth it.
Yes, it was worth it. So one is, of course, be very good at what you do. Second, learn to build good relationships. We often forget that this is not just a makeup business. This is a relationship business.
Yes.
So if your work is good, if your relationships are good, ये एक और एक ना 11 हो जाते हैं. एक और एक 11.
Yeah.
So this is how you have to think कि मेरे को हमेशा अपना work best करना है and मुझे अच्छे relationship develop करने हैं. Same way, if I take the same example of restaurants, if the food is also good and service is also very good, एक और एक 11.
Yes.
So always train your mind. Wherever you go, build good relationships. Photographer, be very friendly, be very professional, be very dedicated. I can tell you from my experience, लोग आके आपकी तारीफ नहीं करते हैं, but everything they notice.
Yes.
Everything they notice. How engaged you were, how involved you were you always on the phone or you were not on phone at all? ये सारी, so skill and professionalism, all these two things are very, very important to become successful in this business. एक third point मैं add करना चाहूँगा, which is very, very important, is always be in mode of networking.
Yes.
There is a famous saying कि 6th level के बाद you can reach anybody in the world after 6th level, which means if I want to reach Donald Trump, I need to find one person that one person will give me another person,
Hmm.
another person, another person. Which means
Yes.
on planet Earth is accessible if I'm ready to do networking at 6 levels. तो सेम वे आपको अपने वर्क और बिजनेस में करना है. कीप नेटवर्किंग. Message photographers, message models, message anybody who is part of the industry that you are interested in.
Yes.
Keep networking. So, skill, professionalism, and constant networking, these three qualities are very, very important to become successful.
That is very great, sir. And this is true because you have to keep networking with people. Otherwise, if you lose contact with people, how would you reach to them again? And they'll forget you or they'll think something negative about you. So you have to have a positive and a good vibe with them. That is
I
important.
another example to that. If you ever want to learn that, learn from our Prime Minister Modi ji.
Anji.
Even if there is a small announcement, he'll come on TV.
Hmm.
It is of 1 minute, but he'll add a lot of things that he wants to share with the country. Now that way, he's always in your mind. He's always
Yes.
in your mind. So that's why you have to keep a constant connect with anybody who's connected to the business that you're in. That's very,
Yes.
very, very, very important.
Yes. So speaking of which, right now we see the coronavirus pandemic has affected a lot of, the freelancers and the small scale businesses. So, and especially the industry, the beauty industry, which is we have to work in within 1 inch of a centimeter from the face. So we cannot be into this industry of no touching. So how do you see this future? How do you see the people will be able to cope up with it?
See, I would see. I am in touch with many, many wedding planners, many, many producers, directors. I know many people. See, things are on hold right now, but things are collecting. Things
Yes.
are
Okay.
so. If there were 100 weddings will still happen. It's just that
Okay.
the timing of the weddings will change. Now
Yes.
only that cannot wait. Maybe some they have an old person in the family and they want to ensure the wedding is done on time. Or sometimes we have our Shubha Muhurat. That's
Hmm.
happening. So first of all, we need to be very bright about that business will be happening. It's just that time
Yes.
we have to be patient about. Okay. Now, what we can do is this is my thought process for myself, and I share with everybody is we need to learn to make use of this time. Now, the question is how to make use of this time. One is Netflix, Amazon Prime, which is not a use of time, it's a stupid use of time. Okay, I have respect for that, but I would say that doesn't contribute anything professionally to you. Now, the reason of
Yes.
this live session is to how to grow professionally, I would say.
Professionally, yes.
One is network. मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. When we had busy times, the big people, the leading people in the industry were busy 30 days a month and they had no time to even check your messages. Today,
Yes.
they are relaxed at home, and if you want to get in touch with them, this is the best time. So, this is the time, this is the moment to network. Okay. Second, grow your skills. If you feel that you were weak in something, for example, it could be your something related to your makeup, to your hair, to if you were in music, then probably practicing your singing. If you were in acting, practicing your acting skills. Just
Yes.
use the time to grow your skill set. एक चाइनीज फेमस सेइंग है. वो सेइंग क्या कहती है? To prepare for war, you need to prepare when there is a peace.
Yes.
To prepare for war, you need to prepare when you're at peace. Right now is peace time. अभी आपके पास टाइम है. तो नेटवर्किंग में स्पेंड कीजिए. अपने स्किल सेट को इम्प्रूव करने में. You won't get this time back. अगर if the God has given you this time, then use it. Use it. I'm not saying don't watch Netflix. मैं खुद भी देखता हूँ. But share of
Y-
anything for
You
yourself.
are wanting to say be productive in a good way that makes you learn something.
Yes, I would say get your priorities right.
Yes. Yes. Very
Right.
important.
ये है, नंबर 2 ये है, नंबर 3 ये है, नंबर 4 ये है. How we have, God has given us everything, कि दिन काम करने के लिए है और रात सोने के लिए. God has
Hmm.
prioritized everything for us. Same way
Yeah.
we prioritize and do our part. कि I will network, I will do my skill enhancement work, and जो बाकी time मिला है, I'll enjoy myself. So
Okay.
yes, have a bright perspective about the future. Work is not going anywhere. जो movies बननी थी वो बननी है ही.
हाँ.
कभी भी कोई ऐसा टाइम नहीं आया कि मूवीज बननी अभी बंद हो गई, लोगों ने घर के टीवी बेच दिए, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं
हाँ
हुआ
जी.
है. ठीक है ना.
नहीं.
that people are spending far more time on mobiles now. It
Yes.
just industry will open now. You will see more web series coming up now.
Hmm.
You see more uh, movies coming up now, because people will be excited to go back to theaters once everything gets.
Yes.
lot of weddings will be happening. जो उस टाइम पे नए टाइम में होनी थी वो तो होंगी ही, जो अभी की हैं वो भी कलेक्ट होके
वो
उसी टाइम.
वापस. हाँ.
That's the way it will be happening. So we have a bright future ahead. बस थोड़ा पेशेंस, अभी पेशेंस तो रखना पड़ेगा.
अभी मतलब सब चीजें बस थोड़ा पॉज्ड है, बाकी सब कुछ स्टार्ट हो जाएगा एंड ऑन अ बिगर स्केल एक्चुअली.
Yes, 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 yes.
So we have to be patient and not stress about things. ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा and all of that.
Because I feel there are only two things. If you can change anything, then stress about it.
Yeah, okay.
If you can't change anything, then accept it and be happy about it.
Go with the flow.
Yeah, go with the flow. Just, there is a Japanese saying, be like water.
Okay.
Water just flows. आगे,
Yes.
आगे, आगे. नदी हमेशा तक नहीं रुकती जब तक समंदर में मिल नहीं जाती. So
हाँ
just
जी.
go with the flow. One day at a time, make best use of it and be happy with it.
So your words are so motivating कि मुझे, I would personally say it for myself that these days I was a little stressed कि काम नहीं हो रहा and about everything. So your words really motivate and make me feel कि, and even I think it is with many makeup artists or any beauty service or anyone of this industry that patience is the key and good time will come. So
Yeah.
this is the thing.
आज
Yes. So,
मेरा होना ही है बस, simple चीज.
yes. So, sir, these days in quarantine and the social distancing, many people have started up with many trends. बहुत मेकअप ट्रेंड्स आ गए हैं और बहुत कुछ नया निकल गया है. So, what do you think is one or two trends which is evergreen and which never will go out of the style?
Oh, okay. That's a very tough question. I'm a firm believer. आज से 100 साल पहले भी लोग दाल चावल खाते थे, आज भी दाल चावल खाते हैं. ठीक है. So those classics of life. Same way, beautiful skin. I'm telling you, you can make a lot of money if you can do beautiful skin.
Yes.
तो है जो 100 साल पहले भी था, आज भी है, और आने वाले टाइम में तो और ऊपर जाएगा.
हाँ जी.
Because that's the way it is.
हाँ जी.
So, beautiful skin and smoky eyes. Smoky
Yes.
eye is like when you can't think of anything else, then just do smoky eyes.
Go with smoky eyes. Yes.
I mean, ability or the perspective to do beautiful skin that you can match with any other look, and smoky eyes. These two things you need to master and stay close to that. Because ये
Okay.
दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए, this is your dal chawal.
So, what is your call on the vocal for local? Since people are suggesting not actually, that wanting to go for Indian brands and not wanting to purchase the brands which are outside India. So, what do you think is the beauty industry going to be impacted with this vocal to local, and will the people be purchasing more? Because since I believe many people, including me, we do not know tons of brands, tons of Indian beauty brands and hair brands. जो कि बहुत अच्छे हैं, इवन बाहर के ब्रांड्स से बहुत अच्छे हैं, but still we do not even know about it. So what do you think about it?
I have a very interesting take on that. पहले तो पता नहीं at what point in our life we started believing that if a product is made in other countries it's better than what is made in our country. है ना? क्योंकि ऐसा कभी था ही नहीं. Yes, certain aspects when it comes to technology, yes, I agree. Okay, for example, if you're buying technology, if you're buying let's suppose the phone that we are using. Uh, then it makes sense to consider some brands which are probably better than what we have that is made in the country. But when it comes to beauty brands, I think West should learn from us,
Yes.
especially when it comes to herbal products, when it comes to organic products. We are any which ways making far better products. I give you one example. One day I saw on internet there was a headline: this super food can change your skin. I repeat,
Okay.
this superfood can change your skin. नहीं, लाइन थी this Indian superfood can change your skin. I was
अच्छा.
very curious. I said ये कौन सी चीज आई मार्केट में? And when I opened, the entire article was about tulsi.
Oh my God, which is available in every house of India,
तो
everywhere.
हर चीज में है something that we consider. अभी देखो, US में turmeric latte is becoming very popular.
Yes.
हल्दी का दूध हमारी मम्मी ने हम जब से पिला रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
Practically speaking, we are far more intelligent in certain zones, which we should appreciate and rather become a brand ambassador of that.
Yes.
मतलब वोकल फॉर लोकल की बात ही नहीं होनी चाहिए. बात है कि हमारा ही बेस्ट है.
क्योंकि मेन सर जैसे हर्बल टर्म और ये सब है तो इंडियन टर्म्स ही सबसे पहले चालू ही इंडिया ने करा था. व्हाट अगर बोलो दादी माँ के नुस्खे तो सब कुछ वो हर्बल से रिलेटेड बताते थे. नाउ द इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दोस थिंग्स कि इससे हम बना सकते हैं, व्हिच वी ऑलरेडी न्यू.
Many amazing brands that are making fantastic products. Now the only thing is that they are baby brands. Of course, they can't the brand like Unilever. जिनकी Aishwarya Rai, Kareena Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, ठीक है, plus they have a huge machinery. So of course they, but if you have to rate them in terms of quality, if that Unilever product will be, let's suppose, 4 out of 10, the Indian brand may be 8 out of 10, and even cheaper. So when it comes to vocal for local, I would always say check out the products, check out the options. In fact, I'll show you. Okay, just give me a moment.
Yes. So I hope guys आप लोगों को ये information बहुत अच्छा लग रहा हो. Sir is giving us some such great knowledge. Many of your students are also here, sir, who are saying hello and everything to you.
Yes, how are you, dear?
Pritesh is writing, sir, you made Angrezi dal today. Do you connect garnishing the food with makeup?
Okay, चलो आज ना हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बातें आपसे शेयर करते हैं. ठीक है, अभी क्या है, लोग बोल देते हैं वोकल फॉर लोकल, फिर सब कहते हैं अरे मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है कि मैं कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स लूं. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज माय फेवरेट फेस वॉश. ओके, अभी मेरे है तो आपको इतना दिखेगा नहीं, बट दिस इज कॉल्ड सिरोना. SRONA. Okay, Sirona exfoliating face wash. I'll share the link with you, Vasudha, and you can share on your page as well.
Yeah, sure.
It's one of the best face washes, Indian brand, and really amazing. मतलब आप 1500 का फेस वॉश ले आना, वो भी इसके सामने कुछ भी नहीं है.
अच्छा.
For I think 375 rupees. Okay.
Yes, the international products are very expensive, sir. So Indian products उसके comparison में बहुत cheaper हैं.
I'm not against international product. I'm in favor of international products. But you need to consider the benefits.
Yes.
If it's the same, then why would you buy?
Yes.
At the end of the day, if it's offering you something unique, then it's fine. But अगर सही है या उल्टा इतना अच्छा नहीं है, then why would you buy? So we have to use our logical analysis. So everybody, this brand is called Sirona. Next brand is called, the name itself is very nice. It's called Pavitra.
Okay. Very Indian name. Pavitra.
So Indian से ही आपको पता है, it's vocal for local. ठीक है? So it has activated charcoal, aloe vera and pomegranate. Okay, Pavitra. They have many other products as well. आप जरूर check करना. You'll be very happy with the products. Okay. If you want to know about shampoo, This is amazing.
Yes.
It's by a brand called Rustic Art.
Rustic art.
Yes, Rustic
Okay.
Art.
Okay.
Okay. This is a really nice shampoo. It's called aloe vera wala, aloe
Acha.
sage shampoo. Okay. Rustic Art. You can buy this from Amazon. देखो एक चीज और समझो, पहले क्या होता था कि सामान होता था इंडियन, but it was not available. Today
Hmm.
everything is there on Amazon. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You don't even have to step outside of your house, and you get everything at your doorstep. So you buy these products. Let me tell you, आप भूल जाओगे Lakme L'Oreal. भूल जाओगे. आप बोलोगे what is L'Oreal? I don't know. So
Wow.
these are that good products, and I feel that these brands also need that kind of encouragement because they are actually using good ingredients, uh,
Yes.
making good products, the products that are good for you, and also they are employing a lot of poor Indian farmers, people who are working in the villages, and they are getting their bread and butter. So
Hmm.
आप अपने लिए भी अच्छी चीज ले रहे हो और देश के लिए भी आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, अब
हाँ
इससे अच्छा
जी, इसीलिए सर सब वोकल फॉर लोकल को बहुत वो हो रहे हैं, मतलब गेटिंग फॉरवर्ड इट विद इट, क्योंकि इससे इंडियन इकोनॉमी का भी फायदा होगा। इससे मतलब एवरीथिंग, इट हैज गुड प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आर इक्वली एज गुड एज द इंटरनेशनल प्रोडक्ट्स आल्सो। So that's a good thing, because very less people know about the Indian brands, which, because I am very sure, at least I didn't know about all these three brands you mentioned right now, because we focus on only the brands which are hyped up और market में रहते हैं। So इन brands के बारे में पता ही नहीं है लोगों को, which are way more worthy than other ones।
सी when we study in school कहते हैं ना भारत सोने की चिड़िया था,
हाँ जी।
बोलते हैं। अभी
हाँ जी।
माइंड में सोचो कि कैसे था सोने की चिड़िया। सोने की चिड़िया ऐसा था, वी वर सपोर्टिंग आवर ओन बिजनेसेस,
Yes।
यही था, बिकता भी यही था, और फिर
हम्म।
वही वो लोग के इंडिया में ही चलता था। दिस
हाँ।
we were rolling the wealth inside the country, and wealth was not going outside the country.
Yes।
That's why Bharat was सोने की चिड़िया।
चिड़ी।
When you buy, let's go, this is a 400 rupees shampoo. I buy, the money remains in India, goes to farmer. Farmer gains money, farmer thinks of more innovation. Now the same farmer will start making a better product. This is
Yes।
progresses.
Yes, that is great। तो वही कि सबको इंडियन ब्रांड्स के बारे में पता होना चाहिए। दे शुड स्टार्ट रिसर्चिंग मोर कि कौन कौन से अच्छे इंडियन ब्रांड्स हैं एक्चुअली विच आर वर्थ इट।
Yes, yes.
People feel that they want to see a result overnight, so I think everyone should be knowing that if please correct me if I am wrong sir, कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को अप्लाई करने में, मतलब अगर आपको रिजल्ट उसका देखना है तो आई थिंक 4 से 5 बार यू हैव टू यूज इट फॉर 4 to 5 times टू फॉर इट टू शो द रिजल्ट, so that it adapts to your skin or it adapts to your hair and then it shows the result। am I right?
See, आप उल्टा ही सोच लो ना। For example, if you have your pigmentation, okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
pigmentation does not happen overnight, right?
Yes, of course।
Went in the sun, you didn't take care of your skin, and that went on for weeks, for months, and that's how it you got pigmentation. तो जिसको आने में 3 महीने लगे तो जाने में 1 महीना तो लगेगा ना।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
So you have to be patient and see, anything happens very quickly. Either that has very strong ingredients, which of course will have a certain plus and certain minus, but anything that is working naturally
Yes।
will take time, but the results are permanent. When you talk about Ayurvedic, herbal, and organic products, so you have to give them time.
Mm-hmm. Yes, very, very true, sir. So, what is your call on men applying makeup, since it is not very normalized in the Indian society, especially even abroad, you say? But how do you think we can remove this stigma or this taboo that men shouldn't be applying makeup?
See, I feel that all the men do watch movies.
Hmm.
They watch a movie, they see a hero, and hero is very.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Are doing just the same thing what Hrithik Roshan is doing, or Shahid Kapoor is doing, or Varun Dhawan is doing. So there is nothing new about wearing makeup, correct?
Yeah, yes, yes.
But the flaw happens when you either apply too much or you apply the wrong color. Because of course, uh, men have far less knowledge as compared to women
Yes. Hmm.
makeup. So yes, they need to apply it correctly. They need to apply the right amount, right color, so that they look better.
They
Lot
look
of
better.
men are discouraged to use makeup because sometimes they start looking a little feminine because
Yes.
too little, or sometimes I've seen somebody applying pink lip balm that will
Yes.
look girly. But there is nothing wrong about men wearing makeup. Dharminder ji se leke black and white movies mein, all the heroes that we adore, they have been using makeup. So
Yes.
yes, fine. In fact, they must wear makeup. जैसे बाकी चीजों में कहते हैं, why should men have all the fun? This way, why should women have all the fun?
Yes, I agree to you. But people should have, at least men should have the basic knowledge how to apply the concealer or some things because it will help them to, gain confidence. So all the men who are watching, all the boys who are watching this live, they should know it and understand that wearing makeup is nothing a taboo or something. You should be actually wearing because उससे आपको confidence होगा that आपके एग्जाम्पल से सर मुझे भी एक एग्जाम्पल याद आया दैट ओके इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अ मीटिंग और समथिंग एंड यू आर super tired from your last hangover or something, so if you apply some concealer, so वो आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट खुद लगोगे और आप बहुत अच्छे दिखोगे, so some people will be able to look at you in a more good way कि हाँ ये अच्छा दिख रहा है, he looks nice, his personality is nice. Am I right?
I think just take it easy. Apply. If people say it's looking too much, apply little. And
Yeah,
if people give you compliment, then yes, you're on the right track. In
that is.
grooming industry is the fastest grooming industry in the world. Men
Hmm.
buying far more products than women now.
Yes. Yes.
That's in fact becoming lot of focus for all the international cosmetic brands.
Okay, that's great. If you're talking about makeup only, sir, what do you think is the quickest or the the good way or the perfect way to do a no makeup look? Because people are hyping over it and they everyone wants a no makeup look. So what do you think is the way कि आप no makeup look कर सकते हो? Just a little
So I
2 minutes का.
first of all, uh, don't use too much color.
Hmm.
Okay, so you need to understand no makeup look means that people should not be able to see that you're wearing makeup. That's the whole.
Yes.
If you look at a face wash ad, or let's suppose a face wash advertisement, okay, you will never see any big liner, barely any
Hmm.
line. It's too
Yes.
high. Very neutral color of eyeshadows, okay. Uh, very little minimal amount of foundation on your face so that you look more a fresh person rather than somebody who's wearing makeup. Like how
Yes.
you wash your face and your face looks very fresh, that's what is no makeup look.
No makeup look.
Little bit of, let's suppose you want to give a little pinkish eyeshadow on your lips, that's okay, that you can get away with that, but no bright lip color, no
Yeah.
bright color that you can add, no fancy eyeliner. So I would say, think like working with a lot of products, but having a tight, defined range of the colors that you
Yeah.
use.
Hmm.
ताकि कोई कह ना सके मेकअप है, कोई बोले
हाँ
वाओ
जी.
यू गॉट अ ब्यूटीफुल स्किन, कि आप हो ही
फ्लॉलेस
खूबसूरत.
स्किन है आपकी. हाँ जी. Okay. So, sir, if we talk about having a brand in the market, so just like BHI is a brand in the market, which is the leading company of academy. So, what are the biggest challenges you have faced while when you started with the BHI? And because the people who want to start up their own brand, they have these things in mind कि मुझे क्या challenges होंगे, क्या difficulties होंगी, कैसे होगा ये सब कुछ. So, can you enlighten them with it?
Okay. So I would say, see, I can share my journey. My journey,
Hmm.
I always believe you need to have good mentors. Okay.
Yes.
Because आप ये मान के चलो कि even Virat Kohli has a coach.
Yes.
So though Virat Kohli may be the number one batsman in the entire planet, but he still has a coach. So one
Cool.
is find a good mentor. The reason you must find a good mentor is otherwise you will be wasting a lot of time, money, and efforts,
Yes.
years, and probably you will still not be successful. So
Yes.
always have mentor. Second, be very, very disciplined. Let me tell you, the people who we see earning a lot of money, they are the ones who were disciplined during their initial phase of career. So you
Yes.
be very disciplined. Number three, which I feel that you have to work from your heart. Okay? If your only intention is to earn money just because you want to earn money, maybe you'll make money, but I think somewhere you'll get stuck because your only
Yeah.
intention is to earn money.
Was to make money.
But if your intention is to make other people happy, if your intention is to uh, add value to other people's life, then you will flourish much more. So
Yes.
that have a mentor, be very disciplined, have an intention to add value to other people's life, and you need to give years. एक एक saying है कि what did not happen in decades will one day happen in few weeks.
Yes.
What did not happen in decades will one day happen in few
2
weeks.
weeks. Okay.
तो कई बार आप बहुत कुछ कर रहे होते हो और कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा होता.
रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता उसका.
You was frustrated. You said, "अरे मैंने कुछ गलती तो नहीं कर ली? Am I doing the right thing?" But एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा आपकी लाइफ ही बदल जाएगी. बट उस पॉइंट तक आपको पेशेंस रखना है.
हाँ जी.
So patience, discipline, being very good at what you do. So I would say this is like how a perfect recipe is, जिसमें सब स्टेप फॉलो करते हो तभी आपका एंड रिजल्ट बेस्ट आता है.
हाँ
Same
जी.
way, build your brand. You have to be very good at what you do. Have a mentor. Be very disciplined. Work from your heart. Add value to people's life. जब ये कोई शैम्पू बना रहा है, अगर वो सिर्फ पैसे कमाने के लिए बना रहा है, तो वो सोचेगा मैं कैसे बस इसको ऐसा बना दूं कि बिक जाए. बट अगर उसको सच्ची में ब्रांड बनना है, तो वो बोलेगा कि जो जो मेरा शैम्पू यूज करे, वो बोले वाओ ये ब्रांड का मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं पता था. दिस इज
हाँ.
गुड. आई एम सो हैप्पी आई फाउंड इट. अब देखो
Yes.
इस सिचुएशन में the brand will grow much better as compared to somebody whose intention is just to make money.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So whatever you told me right now, is this also the answer for why PHI is the best leading academy in India?
See, I won't say we are the best. I always say that when you say the best, you define a line कि बस अभी खत्म हो गया.
What makes you stand out actually?
What makes us stand out? I feel that our entire team, including myself, we all work from heart. We are connected to everybody, any student who's been part of BHI. We see. I feel that when you add love to your work, everything stands out. See how a doctor को मिलके ही आधा ठीक हो जाता है इंसान.
हाँ जी.
That's the way we all, in fact, as a makeup artist also, you need to have that presence. When you meet a bride who's probably having a panicking time, if you add that comfort, that calmness, that beauty of your presence to that makeup, she will remember you forever.
Yes.
Maybe लोग भूल जाएंगे, but your presence they will remember. So whenever the topic of makeup will come, they will not recommend you just makeup. They will also recommend for the kind of person you are. ये सारी चीजें मैटर करती हैं.
So mainly positive vibes और आपकी vibes बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए so that the other person remembers you forever and stays happy और ऐसा ना लगे कि मेरे around में भी already stress हुआ हुआ है इतना. तो
देखो, जब हम किसी रूम में एंटर करते हैं ना, हम नहीं एंटर करते, हमारा पूरा ऑरा एंटर करता
aura, yes.
है. आर एनर्जी, ठीक है ना. अभी देखो बेबीज का ऑरा कैसा होता है, हमेशा पॉजिटिव.
हाँ जी.
Small baby enters, everybody smiles.
Yes. Yes.
He goes, wow, I love this person's presence. I love this baby's presence.
Yes.
Same way, enter a room. The room should light up. You should
Yes.
smile. You should be warm with people. You should make them happy about your presence. अब ये सारी चीजें उतनी ही वैल्यू ऐड करती हैं जितना आपका काम.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है ना. So people are, see, we are not robots. मैं हमेशा ही कहता हूँ, in human life you don't deal with robots. Robots के तो कोई emotion है नहीं. उसको सिर्फ instruction देना है, जो वो बोलो आप बोलोगे वो कर देगा. But when I deal with a human being, if I make somebody feel special about himself or herself, they feel good about themselves, and
Yes.
because they feel good about themselves, they give value and respect to me. So life is
Yes.
about exchange of energies. So
Hmm.
always keep yourself high in energy. Be very very positive. Be very respectful about others, because I think they say if you want to be respected, then just respect everybody, and they
Yes.
respect. तो ये सारी चीजों का sum is the overall sum of whatever you want to do in life. And I always
Yeah.
say this: your purpose in life is not to earn money. You have to earn money because we live in a physical world, but that's just one purpose. Your other purpose is to make friends, to make well wishers, to make other people happy, to make people see beauty in themselves. आप एक एग्जांपल लो. Let's suppose एक bride है, उसको सब कहते हैं तो अच्छी नहीं दिखती है,
अच्छा.
ठीक है, और सारे बोलते हैं और दूल्हा तो इतना स्मार्ट है. आई एम गिविंग अ टिपिकल इंडियन एग्जांपल. ओके,
यस, बहुत बहुत बुरा लगता है इस चीज पे.
a makeup artist, what is your first responsibility when you enter?
उनको
Compliment.
खुश करो. यस, कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
एक बात बोलूं आपको, yes, you really got really nice eyes.
यस. हाँ.
Artist compliment देता है, immediately her aura will change. She will feel good about herself. She'll feel good that yes, I do have something that other people find beautiful, attractive. ये confidence ही आपको देना सामने वाले को.
सही
ये
बात है.
तो आपने किट ओपन किया, मेकअप किया, ये चले. That's not your purpose. Just make people feel happy and let them see beauty in themselves.
So what do you suggest? 8 to 10 glasses of water a day?
See, I would say that it also depends on what climate you're in, what kind of
हाँ
activity.
जी.
But I would still say that 10, 12 glasses. And
अच्छा.
then, see, if you are not drinking enough water, मेरे कहने से आप 14 glasses नहीं पी पाओगे, क्योंकि पी ही नहीं पाओगे.
पी नहीं पाओगे. हाँ जी.
But if you just observe your choices, कि आपको टाइम मिला, आपने बोला यार मैंने लास्ट 1 घंटे में पानी पिया, नहीं नहीं पिया, okay, let me have it. This is how you'll also build your capacity to keep hydrating yourself.
Hmm.
Apple cider.
Someone's. हाँ.
Yes, it's very good. It's very good. You can have. But let me tell you, जब इंडिया में एप्पल साइडर विनेगर नहीं होता था, तब भी लोगों की स्किन अच्छी होती.
अच्छी थी.
So best is to have honey and lemon in the morning.
Yes,
Because
someone asked that. Is it with sorry
apple
for
cider
that?
is good, but I still find that it's a lot of money to keep spending, because it can't be just a one day affair. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
Best है lemon and honey, शहद.
Lemon and honey in lukewarm water or normal water?
Yes, lukewarm.
Lukewarm water. Okay, okay. To answer it, I have, sir, a question that a lot of people are getting conscious and about all the ingredients we get in the beauty products these days. So, as a common person, what products or what ingredients do you think that these shouldn't be there, जो harm करती हो आपकी skin को?
देखो सेम चीज है. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट फूड, वी से नो प्रिजर्वेटिव्स कम होने चाहिए,
हाँ.
आर्टिफिशियल नहीं होने चाहिए, आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर्स नहीं होने चाहिए. करेक्ट. सेम
हाँ जी.
प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई टू प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आई वुड से नो सिलिकॉन, नो पैराबेन, नो आर्टिफिशियल फ्रेग्रेंस, नो
No
सल्फेट.
sulfate.
ठीक है. ये सब चीजें अगर उसमें नहीं है, एंड लेट मी टेल यू, जिनमें नहीं है वो लिखेंगे कि नहीं है, और जिसमें
हाँ.
होगा उसलिए वो लिखेंगे नहीं इनके बारे. वो पीछे कहीं लिखा रहेगा कि ये सब है. ठीक है ना?
हाँ.
Whenever you're evaluating products, just check silicon, paraben, sulfate or chemicals. मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए. So that means it's a safer one to use. See, complete.
So
But अगर उसमें 80 to 90% भी harmful chemicals नहीं है,
हाँ.
I would say it's much better, because see, remember, these products we are not using once in a while. We are
Yes.
using twice a day on ourselves. So they
Hmm.
really good. Okay, so I would say that go for natural products when it comes to skincare and hair care. मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ. हमारे जो ऋषि मुनि होते थे, हम उनके क्या देखते हैं, लंबे बाल. करेक्ट.
हाँ. हाँ.
इसका मतलब ये है, दो sages had some knowledge for thousands of years. कभी आपने सेज को गंजा देखा है?
नहीं.
नहीं देखा है.
They
तो इसका
generally have long hair.
they knew some ways to retain, because they
Okay.
were following a very natural and holistic method. ना तो वो जंक फूड खाते थे और ना ही
Hmm.
पेस्ट और बालों पे लगाते थे.
हाँ.
So they had a very natural lifestyle. So more natural lifestyle you follow, better your skin and hair will be.
Yes, yes, that's good. So what about perfume? Perfume भी कम होना चाहिए या फिर is it okay that a product has perfume?
See,
The
अभी
added fragrance actually.
fragrance अभी, see it's very difficult to comment on that. But मैंने क्या देखा है कि जब cheap product में perfume होता है ना, तो mostly वो product की कमियां छुपाने के लिए है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
बट एक हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट में परफ्यूम है, तो वो जस्ट एक फ्रेग्रेंस, उसको प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए.
Hmm.
तो दैट्स व्हाई इफ द फ्रेग्रेंस इज इन हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट, इट्स स्टिल ओके. बट अगर कई बार मैंने क्या देखा है कि द प्रोडक्ट इज सो चीप कि उसमें डाला ही क्या होगा.
हाँ.
ठीक है ना. प्लस दे हैव फ्रेग्रेंस, सो व्हिच काइंड ऑफ गिव्स मी अ सेंस that it's not the best category of product that you can expect.
Yes, yes.
स्किन केयर एंड हेयर के मैं तो बोलूंगा, सबको बोलूंगा कि मूव टुवर्ड्स प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर मोर ऑन नेचुरल साइड. You will not enjoy them. Let me give you one warning beforehand or a caution that you will not like them in first go. Why? Because they are natural. आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जो जूस में शुगर डाल के बेचते हैं, उनका जूस आपको बहुत टेस्टी लगता है.
हाँ.
The real juice? No. It's
No, it
juice.
is not.
So when you go for pure juice, it will not be as tasty. But is
Yes.
it more healthy? Yes.
Hmm. So, sir, according to you, the main thing should be networking with people in order to build a brand. If I want to build a brand in the future, I should start networking with people from today itself and catch up with them and have more connections with them. Try to find a best mentor who can guide me how to do everything in the future and knowing my strengths, my weaknesses, my competitors, and what is the unique thing in someone. ऐसा.
देखो मेरा क्या कहना है कि see how people prepare for Olympics. Everybody is from different country. Nobody knows कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. But everybody does know कि जो भी इस Olympics का पार्ट बनेंगे, everybody is practicing. Correct?
Yes, yes.
ठीक है. अभी एक ही वेरिएशन है. मेंटोर कौन है और जो एथलीट है, जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है, वो कितना प्रैक्टिस करता है. दो ही वेरिएबल
हाँ.
है. ठीक है.
हाँ.
वही वेरिएबल आपकी लाइफ में है. पहला, हमेशा एक अच्छा मेंटोर आपको ढूंढना चाहिए. That's why at BHI we believe in keep sharing whatever knowledge, whatever we get to know, whatever new is happening, we keep sharing. ताकि आपको पता तो रहे कि दुनिया में हो क्या रहा है. Number one. Number two, think of creative ways. अगर मैं, for example, this is my advice to everybody. अगर मैं आपकी जगह होता, whatever chosen area of interest and profession I have, I will ensure that I will think of the ways what creative stuff I can do. Example के तौर पर, if I want to build my profile further, I will message at least 50 good models, 50 good photographers, 50 good designers.
Yes.
क्यों? क्योंकि आज की डेट में वो भी कुछ ज्यादा नहीं कर रहे होंगे.
हाँ.
तो उनके पास भी इंक्लिनेशन होगा कुछ ना कुछ प्रोडक्टिव करने का. करेक्ट.
सही.
आई हैव सीन इन माई सर्कल, आई नो मेनी टॉप मॉडल्स. ठीक है ना. जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट वर्किंग, they are probably far more accessible because they're not that busy. So if somebody messages those 50 models, 50 photographers, 50 designers, there are far more chances of building a strong community or building a profile further. अब ये प्रोफाइल बनाने का क्या फायदा है कि जब सीजन स्टार्ट होगा, जब काम स्टार्ट होगा, when things are back to normal, you're far more prepared. So think like this, then the same way you're far more prepared for Olympics. ओलंपिक्स में तो लोग सिर्फ जाके जीतते हैं, तैयारी तो पहले होती है. तैयारी तो 4 साल पहले चल रही है. उस दिन थोड़ा ना स्विमिंग सीखने जाते हैं, वो स्विमिंग तो पहले से ही कर रहे हैं. उस दिन तो सिर्फ अपना परफॉर्मेंस दे के गोल्ड मेडल लेते हैं. सो यू हैव टू मेक प्रोडक्टिव यूज ऑफ द टाइम. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, ऊपर वाले ने आपको 24 घंटे दिए हैं. हाउ यू डिवाइड दैट टाइम इज डिटर्मिनिंग योर लाइफ. अंबानी जी के पास भी 24 घंटे हैं, आपके पास भी 24 घंटे हैं, हर एक के पास 24 घंटे हैं. गॉड ने उस चीज में कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं किया है, अगर आप कहते भी हो कि किया है. So just use your time well. Use your time well. And networking is everything. मैं इस बात पे जितना emphasize करूँ उतना कम है. अच्छा. Networking is oxygen for you as an artist. वरना देखो, जिनको मेकअप आर्टिस्ट चाहिए उनको चाहिए, जिनको सिंगर चाहिए उनको चाहिए, जिनको फोटोग्राफर चाहिए उनको चाहिए, जिनको मॉडल चाहिए उनको चाहिए. अब पॉइंट ये है कि हिंदी में हमें पहले ही पढ़ा दिया था कि प्यासा कुएं के पास जाता है या कुआं प्यासे के पास आता है. सो सेम दैट फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड विजडम वी हैव टू यूज अगेन. हाँ जी. That is great. Hamsa official is asking, actually I want to ask one thing, how often should we use shampoo and which one? So how often is very subjective. अगर आपका शैम्पू माइल्ड है तो आप डेली भी यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे आप फेस वॉश रोज यूज करते ही हो ना, उसमें कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आपको होता है कि रोज यूज करते हैं, फेस वॉश रोज यूज करना चाहिए कि नहीं. So you can use it daily if it's on milder side. Okay. Now if your question is which one, if you were part of the movement in that session, this shampoo is very good. It's by Rustic Art. So is it a mild shampoo? It is mild. See, जो natural होता है वो by default mild ही होता है. Mild हो ही होगा. It's natural ingredient. It has aloe vera inside. मतलब that's any which way is good for hair. And always remember, when you use shampoo, you have to first take in your palm, dilute the shampoo. Dilute it. Yes. And then use it. Because otherwise you are directly using strong shampoo on a certain area of scalp. Yes. Makeup by Makeover Sayyad is asking, sir, can you explain about the best lip color palette? Okay, I wish कोई अच्छा lip palette होता. I think that's why customized lip palettes are going on. Yeah. Because you have to make a lip palette out of what kind of clients you have. Because most of the clients, makeup artists क्या करते हैं, एक empty palette लेते हैं, एक nudes का palette बनाते हैं और एक brides का palette बनाते हैं. And then you can mix and match your colors in. And then you can mix and match. Yes. And plus उसमें एक अच्छी बात ये भी है कि आप different brand और lipsticks को mix कर सकते हो. सेम पैलेट में लॉरियल भी है, मैक भी है, लैक्मे भी है, मेबलिन भी है और डिफरेंट और ब्रांड्स भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो. बट व्हेन यू बाय वन ब्रांड इट्स जस्ट दैट. और मैं बताऊं, एक जनरली लिप पैलेट में एक प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि इफ यू गॉट 12 कलर्स, 6 यूज के और 6 यूज के नहीं बट यू आर पेइंग फॉर ऑल 12. सो इट्स बेटर टू कस्टमाइज योर ओन कलर्स. यस. Please give us some advice on marketing about our product. About our work, sorry. Yes. So same, simple है. First of all, keep everything very simple. Yeah. Simplicity says कि you have to be, जैसे मोदी जी ने बोला, be vocal for local. ठीक है? उसी तरह be vocal for yourself. आप जा के लोगों को बताओगे. I give you a very good example. So I'm from Punjab. So we had one बुड्ढे uncle who's on rickshaw. पुराना एकदम खटारा रिक्शा, लाउड स्पीकर पे लेके वो अंकल सारे शहर में बोलते रहेंगे, भैनों दे भरावो तुहाडे शहर विच आ रहे ने, लुधियाना दे बहुत मशहूर. This is how he used to keep promoting. Whole day that uncle is talking. मतलब केबल टीवी फेल है और अंकल हिट है, ये
हाँ
था. तो that's the kind of commitment you need to have. Go and tell people about yourself.
yes
In fact, we all are very lucky. We are in an age जहाँ पे हमको door to door नहीं जाना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे हमारे पास Instagram है, WhatsApp है, Facebook है. पहले के जमाने में अगर कैलकाटा वाले को दिल्ली में अपने ब्रांड के बारे में बताना है, उसको या चिट्ठी लिखनी पड़ेगी या खुद जाना पड़ेगा. आज आप फोन उठाओ, बात करो, WhatsApp पे इंफॉर्मेशन भेज दो, and your brand has already reached from Calcutta to Delhi within
Everything
5
is-
minutes of efforts.
सब कुछ अब सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर इतना हो गया है that you can advertise well on social media. You just have to
Yes.
know कि कैसे करना है advertise और कितना smartly आपको
देखो, एक
सब कुछ
सबसे
करना
मैं
है.
आपको जाते समय मैं आपको एक सिंपल सी बात बोल देता हूँ. कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की.
Yes.
कंसिस्टेंसी अगर आपको कभी सीखनी है, नेचर से सीखो.
हाँ.
रोज सूरज उग रहा है, करेक्ट. रोज
हम्म.
चांद आ रहा है, ड्यूटी पूरी निभा रहे हैं सब, ठीक है. बारिश के टाइम पे बारिश आ रही है, सर्दी के टाइम पे सर्दी आ रही है, गर्मी के टाइम पे गर्मी आ रही है, ठीक है. तो नेचर की तरह हमें कंसिस्टेंट रहना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
हमें वील हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट अबाउट व्हाट वी डू. मेरे को एक किसी ने बड़ी अच्छी बात सिखाई थी. इन लाइफ नेवर बी लाइक सोडा बॉटल. सोडा बॉटल क्या, हम ओपन करते हैं, फिर आता है,
हाँ.
फिर कुछ भी नहीं.
फिर कुछ नहीं.
तो उस तरह नहीं रहना कि एक दिन मन में आया कि मैं तो इंडिया की नंबर 1 मॉडल, एक्ट्रेस, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, फोटोग्राफर बन के ही रहूंगी, और फिर आपने 2 महीने उस टॉपिक पे बात ही नहीं की. नो,
हाँ.
कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की. कछुआ और खरगोश की रेस में कौन जीता?
Of course कछुआ.
Why? Because वो चलता रहा. Simple.
Yes.
Consistency. Every day do your bit. People are noticing, and God is watching.
Yes.
You will be blessed that way. Everything. I tell you one thing, that you have to live your life with a purpose. इन चीज़ों से बाहर आ जाओ कि मैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ, फोटोग्राफर हूँ, I want to open a salon. ये सब part of your activity है. When you have a bigger purpose is that I want to create a happier and beautiful world. Universe will work in your favor far more. जो पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं वो सिर्फ पैसा कमा जाते हैं, बट जो कुछ बड़ा करना चाहते हैं वो पैसा भी कमाते हैं और लोग भी कमाते हैं, ठीक है ना. So earn people also earn good relationships. Be very consistent and remember, never ever waste your time.
Yes.
You need to be very wise with your time. The same way you're wise with money, like you will not forget your wallet at any place, right?
Yes.
क्यों? क्योंकि आपके लिए वो important चीज है.
हाँ
उसी
जी.
तरह don't lose your time anywhere. Make good friends, make people full of joy with your presence, and everything will work in your favor 10 times more than you can imagine right now.
Start prioritizing everything. They want to
Yes. And main is enjoy life.
Yes.
Enjoy life. आपको लोगों को लगना चाहिए कि आपने अभी बहुत बड़ा कप कॉफी का पिया है.
Thank you so much, sir, for such inspiring words.
Thank you.
I am so happy that you organized this live session and many people have got motivated, inspired.
Everybody, thank you so much for taking out time. Thank you for being part of our journey. Thank you for
Yes.
being part of this live session. And whatever we have shared with you, you be our brand ambassador. You go and share with everybody, and together we all can change many lives. Okay? So thank you so much and have a great
Thank
evening.
you.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye everybody. Have a great evening.
Bye everybody.